One of the first steps in the installation for the F-150 Crossmember is you have to remove the exhaust. So this is the driver's side pipe, and this is the passenger side pipe. One thing that we do recommend is that you leave enough material, enough pipe, so the exhaust guy can go ahead and make his attachments, and on both sides, leave enough pipe. So it's real important that you do that. That way they're not struggling. If they need to remove it, that's on them. Now, the second step to move forward in this project is we're gonna make a line, from here all the way through the bottom, all the way across. That's the passenger side. Same thing on the driver's side, all the way across. Good news is you do not have to remove this bracket. This bracket can stay the same, no problems at all. It works great as it is, and it's gonna be one of our guides. Another thing too, if you notice, we have this supported with a piece of wood on the bottom of the transmission pan, because you are going to remove this bracket here up top, those 3 bolts, and you're going to reuse the same factory bolts. So you have to support it so it doesn't fall. Just a little safety precaution. And this is the piece that we removed of the exhaust. Pretty straightforward. And also one of the heat shields was removed on the driver's side. Forgot to mention that to you guys. This is the Y pipe, factory Y pipe. This might need to be reused, so I wouldn't tell you to throw anything away until you take it to the exhaust shop and have them redo your exhaust. This was the line that I was mentioning to you guys earlier. Let me just make a straight line using a straight edge, or a level. Most, I think it's a 4-foot level, will reach both frame rails. And this is how you make the line all the way around, like that. And then you cut it, of course, all the way around. Now you see how those edges are all jagged? That is going to be grinded down, made look nice. We just want to show you the process of getting that done. Really straightforward. And as you notice, we went ahead and took out the factory crossmember. And as mentioned earlier, these bolts will be reused again. Pretty straightforward, guys. Coming along nicely. Start off by installing this plate, and that will be your guide to everything else that needs to be done for the next steps. We went ahead and trimmed both sides now. Add a little bit of coat of paint. It's looking really nice. Okay, now that you install the main bracket up here, you install the crossmember, this guy. You can also install your 5/8 bolt hardware just to hold it in. And this is going to give you the guide exactly where you need to drill the holes. So you have one up here, one down here, and one on this side there. So Ford has a variation on their frames. Some of them will be a little bit closer, a little bit further apart. This one is a little bit further apart, as you can see there. So we provide you with spacers that you can put in here and still bolt it in. Everything will still work, and you don't have to worry about having to have another one built or ship it back out or anything like that. So it makes it real convenient. There are variations on the F-150s. This one, it happens to be a Harley Davidson, by the way, 4-door. Moving along with the installation, we went ahead and drilled the holes, added our hardware, added our spacer. Now everything's nice and snug. Fits really clean, really nice. Try to see if we're getting everything together. That's what it looks like. Real simple, real clean. I know in the other video y'all saw I had a little bit of grease. This is not a moving part, but we just want to make sure that everything just works together. Also, putting a little bit of grease helps you install the bushing and everything to work really smooth. So now it's off to the exhaust shop. Have them add the pipes and everything. Good time to replace the muffler if you wanted to do that. Or you can also keep your factory muffler in case you're wondering. So it came out really nice, really simple. Just to go over the steps one more time, you're gonna cut the bottom flush. You're gonna make sure you support the tranny. Then remove this factory plate, install the factory plate, install the bar with the bolt across, then drill your holes, add your mounting hardware, and that's it. So a few steps to get it done, real easy. Of course, we did this up on the lift. It's a little bit easier, but you can also do it at home, jack stands. Make sure everything's supported, everything's safe, and use all the safety precaution you can. I do want to mention, of course, since this does require cutting, most of it is bolt-on, as you did see. So it's about 90%, 95% bolt-on, but you do have the little bit of cutting and drilling. So make sure you have face shield, safety glasses, all that stuff as well. you know, it's always good to play it safe. Even as us as professionals, we want to make sure that we take care of everything, protect our body, not cause any injury. So we do appreciate you watching. It really means a lot if y'all can like and subscribe. If you have any questions, give us a call. Area code 832-770-4366. Visit our website if you want to purchase this kit at www.reklez.com. That's reklez.com. You know, it really means a lot to y'all when y'all like and subscribe. Helps out our channel. So thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. God bless.